Before I left the UK, I decided not to date any girl for at least 6 months. And as I started to meet new people, it soon became clear when I met Rebecca Allen I was in trouble. I had been accepted on a 9-month course at Bethel School of Supernatural Ministry and knew that God had guided me to this decision. He showed me through His Word and the desires in my heart. I secured the finances, a visa, and read the books, but He hadn't told me about Rebecca. She is a very beautiful, intelligent, and friendly Christian girl. Her great-grandfather was a famous preacher in the USA in the 1950s and 60s, and I knew that after 6 weeks I was in a lot of trouble, so we started dating. While I was in America, school was fantastic. My personal relationship with God and Rebecca grew. I travelled and saw many miracles, signs and wonders, such as a clinically deaf person hearing, and a woman with back pain for 4 years was healed on the streets, and many other signs that make you wonder, is there a God? And is He really crazy in love with me, as Jesus shows us in the Gospels? During school I received much training and encouragement for future works God wants me to do. It was hard leaving the States, and especially Rebecca, but I promised her if she came and visited I would propose. So she came, and I did it. We are engaged to be married now in October. I thought I was going to school for training, so it was a big surprise when I found I'd fallen in love. Going to school at Bethel also connected me to Harrogate New Life Church, where I have a job working as youth and young adult pastor, but the biggest surprise was falling in love with Rebecca.